The leave approval and rejection process in MetaCenter V3 is vital for ensuring an organized, transparent, and efficient management of employee leave, promoting fairness and consistency while supporting the operational requirements of the organization. Once employees submit their leave requests via the employee portal, the HR manager or administrator is responsible for approving or rejecting these requests. To manage these requests, start by navigating to the Human Resource module and selecting Leaves. As shown, you will be redirected to the Leave Management window. From there, click on the Actions menu and select Pending Leave Requests. This will open the Pending Leave Request panel, where all requests waiting for approval are displayed. To approve a request, simply click on the Approve button and confirm the action by clicking OK on the confirmation prompt. For rejecting a request, click the Reject button and confirm by selecting OK on the prompt that appears. You will then need to enter the reason for the rejection in the window that pops up and click Reject to finalize the process. Once a leave request is approved, it will be visible on the leave calendar. To view the details, click on the employee's name on the calendar, which will open the leave details for review. Here you can share the report via email, save or download in various available formats, or print directly from the browser. This streamlined process ensures that leave management remains effective and aligned with company policies.